UPS 2019 Heavy Boston to runway 9 line up and away.
Line up and away to runway 9 for UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, runway 9 0504, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 9 for UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, contact departure.
Departure UPS 2019 Heavy. Departure UPS 2019 Heavy is passing through 2000 for 5000.
UPS 2019 Heavy Boston departure, ready to contact, line maintain 14,000.
Okay, up to 14,000 for UPS 2019 Heavy. Departure UPS 2019 Heavy, we're going to need to stop at about 5,000 feet, just got a malfunction with our gear.
UPS 2019 Heavy Boston approach, roger. Men out to maintain 5,000. What was the issue?
We're up to 5,000. We just got an issue with our gear we got to work through.
UPS 2019 Heavy, roger. Just advise of attention. UPS 2019 Heavy, fly heading a 130, and just let me know the intention.
We'll get back to you in just a minute.
UPS 2019 Heavy, contact approach 120.6, keep them advised.
Okay, 120.6 UPS 2019. Boston approach UPS 2019, we're maintaining 5,000, we're on a heading of 130. We have our landing gear, wouldn't retract, we just need to stay in a box pattern while we work a checklist, please.
UPS 2019 Heavy, Boston approach, roger, not a problem. UPS 2019 Heavy, turn right heading 180.
Heading 180, UPS 2019 Heavy. Boston, UPS 2019.
UPS 2019 Heavy, go ahead.
For planning purposes, we are going to need to return to Boston. We are not declaring an emergency. Our landing gear is down and indicating. However, we just need to burn off some more fuel. We're overweight still.
UPS 2019 Heavy, roger. You can expect the ILS right forward approach. And do you know how much time you need to burn off?
Probably only need another 10 minutes. And ILS 4 right.
UPS 2019 Heavy, roger. Just advise when you're ready for vector storage final.
Thank you very much. We'll set up for 4 right and we'll advise UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, just confirm you are burning fuel, not dumping fuel.
Correct. We do not have the ability to dump fuel. We are burning fuel.
Roger, thank you.
Yes, 2019 Heavy, we're ready for the return inbound anytime.
UPS 2019 Heavy, excuse me, turn right heading 240.
Okay, right turn to 240 for UPS 2019 Heavy.
2019 Heavy, Whiskey still turn at Boston. The wind's calm, altimeter 286, and once again expect ILS from my forward approach.
Okay, 2986, and we'll expect that for UPS 2019 Heavy, thank you.
UPS 2019 Heavy, continue right turn heading 270.
Right turn to 270 for UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, contact first 126.5.
Okay, 126.5 for UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, Boston approach, roger. UPS 2019 Heavy, turn right heading 300, descend to maintain 4,000.
Alright, turn to 300 down to 4,000 for UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, continue to descend now, descend to maintain 3,000.
Okay, all the way down to 3,000 now for UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, 7 miles from Milton, right heading 010, maintain 3,000 until established from World Project, clear to ILS runway 4 right approach, maintain 170 knots, operator Milton.
And maintain 3,000 till established and 170 to melt for UPS or greater for UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, contact tower 134.05.
For UPS 2019 Heavy.
UPS 2019 Heavy, taxi via Romeo, November, hold short, runway 4 left.